Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we're going to be going through some Cnft projects that have been going absolutely insane over on my Twitter account, which you guys can go to down in the description down below. I put a post up on Twitter saying I'm going to be making a Cnft video very soon, and I wanted you guys to go in the comments and tell me what you wanted, and I chose 3 of the best projects that standed out to me, those that have been conquering the Cnft space for some time now. And stick to the end of the video because I've got a bonus one that I really like myself and invested into. So first off, we're talking about DDC, which is dot dot creatures. They haven't got a website to show you guys, unfortunately, but they are building one. But they have been showing off their art, tons of their art. They're doing a bunch of collaborations of different projects. They are making a name for themselves. Over on Twitter, they have 2,822 followers, and you can see here some of their art is absolutely insane. It's a voxel project, making all kinds of different vox art, and it does look very impressive. Like, just look at this one here, and if we keep scrolling down, there's a bunch of sneak peeks and all kinds of stuff they're showing off here. So what is dot dot creatures? DDC is a collection of 8,888 creatures in Cardano blockchain. The creature will live in the metaverse like we, human, live in the real life world. Our theme is cute, friendship, solidarity, and fun. What is the goal of DDC, you may ask? DDC is a community-focused project centered around solidarity, partnership, and collaboration. Our collection is created to be fun, a non-fungible token for our members to collect. So it does look like it's a collectible project because you've got all these variety different NFTs coming out, right? Different vox art, all these different ones. And it kind of reminds me of Lego minifigure packs. You buy one, you randomly guess something, you don't know what you're going to get. Kind of reminds me of that a little bit, just the art style. That's just my opinion. And if we go down here, when will the mint happen? They haven't got a date yet. How much it'll cost? No dates or anything like that. So it is still very early on in the project, and I still believe you can get whitelisted in this. So make sure you join their Discord. I'm going to leave all links down below for all these projects and all that stuff. But I just wanted to cover DDC. They've been good to me. I want to be good to them. And them guys have been killing it on Twitter and been absolutely wanting me to make a video for them. So DDC, keep doing what you're doing. I think the art is absolutely insane. If we go over to sneak peeks here, you can just see a bunch of art. Just look at this. It is cute, it's fun, it's unique, it's different. I like it. Good job, DDC. So let's move on to the next project. Let's stop you guys there just for 1 second. Only 32% of you are subscribed to this channel. What is the other 68% doing? What are you guys doing? Make sure to click the subscribe button because you get all types of content, NFTs, crypto, DeFi, everything. And I've also got my own project coming out. I'm going to leave the link down below for that, but it's called The Rebellion. Check it out, join the Discord, we're blowing up. Okay, so you guys have seen this project on my Twitter, on my YouTube. You've seen this project everywhere and anywhere, and this project means a lot to me, not only because I'm invested into it, but because they did something unimaginable. So you guys might remember a project called PastelPudz. I was a community manager for them. They didn't pay me for the time I worked for. They called me lazy and all this type of stuff, even though I actually brought activity to their Discord and made things actually feel alive in their Discord. And about a month later, PastelPudz actually bought up PastelPudz, which was really impressive to see. And they saw what happened with me and PastelPudz, and they messaged me saying, hey, do you want us to pay you? Like, we can give you the money that you were owed, blah, blah, blah. They did. And for that, PastelPudz just immediately makes me love you guys. I think makes you guys legit. You are wanting to be in the Cnft space. You want to be the biggest doodle project in the Cnft space, the NFT world, right? Like, you've literally bought PastelPudz, your competitor. You've bought your competitor, even though it wasn't really a competitor, but you've already bought it. And you're doing things with both communities. You've got your pastels, you've got your PastelPudz, and you're putting them together, and you're making an awesome community with both projects thriving alongside each other. And respect to you guys for doing that. And you guys have been absolutely going insane on Twitter, constantly bringing updates, constantly doing things in the Discord, constantly bringing updates out. And if we look over on JPEG Store, you guys only have a floor of 59, which I think is very undervalued right now. Obviously, the market in NFTs and crypto has gone down, so it kind of makes sense. Most projects have gone down, but I really do think PastelPudz is one that you do not want to miss out. I do think it will be a major player in this space. You do not want to miss out on PastelPudz. I really believe it's going to be around for a long time. It's going to be the king of doodle projects, especially in the CNFT space, so do not miss this one, guys. And I just want to say thank you so much, PastelPudz, for giving me the money that PastelPudz owed me. We all know their owner, BrightPals, the old guy, was a bit dodgy, and you guys brought the project up and have rethrived the community of BrightPals, so very much respect to you guys. And just before we move on from PastelPudz, if you go into their Discord, they have a recent update regarding their marketplace update. They are bringing out their own marketplace, which will be awesome. So the platform is almost ready in terms of navigation. We're making it easy for our users to buy using their cell phones. Now that Eternal wallet has its own mobile app, we have integrated our marketplace with their wallet, which is awesome. Eternal is a wallet you can download on your phone, and you can use that to buy CNFTs. Absolutely needed in this space because there wasn't anything months ago, so I'm so happy that's been integrated into their marketplace and it's actually a thing. As for the contract, we are looking into getting it audited as soon as possible. As far as we understand, we have established a good contract looking into the ones that have gone open source. We are not against the idea of open sourcing our own. Stay tuned for beta testing. So they're just wanting to get some security checks on, you know, getting an order out, possibly opening it up into open source so the public can have a look and give them feedback and all that type of stuff. So that's good stuff. And look at the art, guys. Look at that 3D art of that PastelPudz. Tell me you do not want one of them. I want one of them. All right, guys, moving over to the Mandrills. You guys have been absolutely killing my Twitter for months and months and months, all the way back when the floor price was about 40, 50. I didn't even get in around that time when you guys were going crazy, but I did eventually get in around the 200, 300 floor mark, and I've been very, very impressed with this project so far. First way, guys, this website is absolutely beautiful. It looks incredible. I just love the art style, all the colors, the font, everything looks spot on here. The art is also brilliant. So what is the story of the Mandrills? So a meteor strikes near a zoo. The mandrill enclosure is largely destroyed. Some animals are able to flee but carry splinters of the meteor in their bodies while fleeing under a bridge. They encounter a graffiti crew who instantly run off, leaving behind clothing, jewellery, spray cans, beer and more for the drills to collect. The drills continue to flee into the urban jungle of the big city. The leader of the Mandrills, the Horde, Cleon, is a caring guy. His goal is to bring back the streets to the apes. He wants to transform the urban jungle into a real jungle. Building for building, street for street, city for city. This is the story of the Mandrills. Like, just look at the art, guys. This looks absolutely insane. The art, just all of it. The story is quite funny. It's definitely unique. I really like that. And then here's the Mandrills bar. This looks absolutely insane. I think they should probably open this up in real life if this becomes like a blue chip project, which I do believe it possibly could be with the things they're doing right now. Imagine having NFT bars and you get like discounts if you own their NFT. I think that would be absolutely incredible. And if I zoom out a little bit, this is actually their roadmap here, guys. It's a bit hard to tell where things are, but you can just move your mouse around and you can see and click on things. So like you've got the pool here, the drill staking pool project. That's quite clever to have a swim pool for that. You click on this big coin looking thing, which is the Drill's coin. You've got like a vault here. If you move down here, you've got the Drill's Fat Banks District, the TheMandrillz community wallet. I think this is absolutely incredible. Like, this is like an interactive roadmap. Beautiful drawing, whoever the artist did this, so congratulations to you. There's just so much stuff to move your mouse over. I love it. And I'm sure people have probably missed out stuff like when they are looking on this, but this is absolutely insane. You've got the Mandrills shop, you've got the events and happy hours for the Horde. This looks absolutely voting. What's these bees? Are these got something? Yeah, the bees have got on. We build beehives for the Cardano community. This is absolutely insane. I love that roadmap. And then they have got a massive list of stuff here about like being an OG, being a part of the community. What are the benefits for you? There is a ton of stuff, so I'm not going to go over it. Otherwise, this video will be like an hour long. But I'm going to leave all links down below. You can just see here how impressive this looks. There's just tons and tons and tons of stuff to read, which I absolutely love. And another thing I love about these guys, they have put in the team and they've put in their links for all their Twitter accounts and all that type of stuff. I think that's excellent. I want stuff like this. Maybe a LinkedIn to show previous stuff, but that's not always a big deal. You know, these guys have proven to be an awesome project, to be a project that's going to be around for a long time. And if we move over to JPEG Store, you can see the floor price is currently 319. So considering about a month and a half ago, these guys were tweeting at me like mad to check out the Mandrills, check out Mandrills, check them out, and look at the floor price. So it was about 50, 40 when they reached out to me, and I didn't take it on board at the time. And I do regret not looking a bit earlier on, but hey, I'm in there now and just look at the art. It looks incredible. The activity, the volume is 2.34 million, which is absolutely insane. Just look at this. So yeah, around here is when they mentioned it to me. So about 52 added right there. And just look at the price. Look at it. It absolutely killed it and just went absolutely insane. So Mandrills, I own you, some of you guys. Awesome project, awesome community, awesome roadmap. I just love everything about your project, so congratulations. And for the bonus Cnft project, much love to these guys. The ultimate Cnft warrior. huge shout out to you. He's another YouTuber who started his own Cnft project, and much respect to him. He has absolutely killed it with his team. You've got Cnft Adam, who's a part of their team. Absolutely awesome guy. We talk quite frequently, and he's just an amazing guy. Very honest and open to everything to talk about. But if we go over to the website here, it does look very good. The artwork is pretty decent as well, and they've been absolutely killing it on Twitter, on JPEG Store. They've been doing everything right. So here is the pugs. You can see here's some of the information down below. So the supply is 777. They've got their mint date, which has already been passed and done, and the price of the mint was about 40 to 50 ADA, depending on if you were OG or not. These guys have been absolutely killing it. And then here is the roadmap. Again, I'm not going to go through the roadmap. I just want to bring these projects to your attention. But again, links down below. They've got an incredible roadmap. They've already ticked off a bunch of these things. They did one of the massive, like the biggest Cnft airdrops ever, in my opinion, one of them so far, which was giving 2,500 pugs airdrop to all of the pug holders, which was on May 23rd. That's happened. A bunch of people got given an extra pug depending on if they owned one. Absolutely insane, considering the floor price was like 200, 300 at the time. Just impressive stuff all around. And if we do go to the team here, it is a doxed team, which is awesome. Like Mike here, Mr. Ultimate, you can go on his YouTube channel. Again, Cnft Adam, go on his YouTube channel. I'm sure if you click info here, it'll pop up. Yeah, it comes with a Twitter. You can see here he is. You've got his YouTube channel, you've got his Instagram. Absolutely awesome team going on right here. And if we go over to their Twitter, they've got 2,299 followers, and then on Discord, I think it's like 10,000 plus, so they are absolutely killing it. I love all the art they're doing, like pugs. Look how impressive that looks. It looks really good. It looks professional. It looks clean. And if we look at their tweets here, they are constantly pushing out marketing and content in game nights like this, SpacePugs Poker. Look how professionally and clean this graphic is. Absolutely awesome work, and they're just constantly killing it on Twitter. And I will say the SpacePugsAlpha community is massive. It is big. They might not seem too big on Twitter here with the reactions and that, but on Discord, they are absolutely everywhere. Everywhere you go, you've got someone SPA in the name, someone got their status as joining the SpacePugs. It's absolutely insane. So Discord is definitely bigger where they are, but it does look like they're trying to push the Twitter game to grow on there, which is very good to see. I'm just impressed overall by the graphics of everything they're pushing out. As a graphic artist, I think it looks absolutely incredible, and the team are just killing it, in my opinion. And then if we go to the JPEG store of the SpacePugsAlpha, you can see the floor is only 172, which is a 3 to 4x on the mint day, which is absolutely incredible, depending on if you got OG or not. Let's have a look at the activity. You can see people are just constantly buying these up. The volume is 1.2 million, and considering it's only been about a month and a little bit, the guys have been killing. I keep saying killing it because they are killing it, generally are killing it, and the art is fantastic. It's pretty decent, and the things they've got coming up is just insane. Partnering up with all projects, Smooth Yeti Club. I'm speechless. I'm speechless by these guys. So yeah, that's SpacePugsAlpha. I won't keep rambling on. All links for these projects will be down below. I just wanted to quickly give you guys the info for these projects to make sure to check them out before it's too late, because I do think all the projects in this video will be around for a long time. I think the floor prices are going to be like 3x, 4x in the next couple of months if the market conditions improve and these projects can consistently bring out updates in marketing and all that type of stuff. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I did ramble on a little bit there, kept saying the same stuff, but who cares? I genuinely believe them projects are going to be absolutely awesome. And guys, I'm going to make a video on my own project very, very soon, give you all the info. We've got a white paper coming out. We've been constantly tweeting. Our Discord's blowing up. So go check it out. Link down below. It's going to be the one that's been labelled massively in the description. So make sure you check that out. If you did enjoy today's video, leave a like, subscribe for more content. Go share me your CNFTs on Twitter. I hope you guys enjoy the weekend. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.